Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial I am going to show you on how to connect Canva to your Shopify store so you can design and upload your graphics, logos, and banners directly. So the first thing you need to do here is to open Canva and then click on apps from the left sidebar, so as you can see here. So you just need to tap on that one. Then you'll be able to see there a search bar. So in the search bar, guys, you just need to type the Shopify. So here, just need to type the Shopify. So right after that one, guys, is you just need to click on the Shopify app that appears. So after that, you just need to click connect. So choose here, for example, is the Shopify Connect, Shopify Sync, or the Shopify Connect. So here, guys, sign into your Shopify account and then choose the store you want to link here, and then click install app to approve the connection. So now, guys, you can export your Canva design straight to your Shopify store. So it is perfect for uploading product, images, banner, or social media graphics. And that's it, guys. Your Canva is now connected to Shopify. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other Shopify tutorials.